everybody, and just before the start of this week's video I want to show you my Deise Rebel t-shirt. I haven't showed you on the channel, I don't know why, but I haven't showed you. And I have stickers and I have a keyring as well. I'll show you them in the flesh, but first of all I'll show you the t-shirt, which I love. Young Dan done it for me at Nitro. I'll put it in the video as usual. And yeah, go to him, he's a really sound guy, looks after everything. But let's have a look at the t-shirt. This is the new Deise Rebel t-shirt. Kind of made up just for myself. Got a big logo on the front there, have the logo on the side as well, so it's on both sides, so it's on this side as well. So really happy with it. You can see it there, yeah, just there. So I'm really happy with it, I love it, absolutely love it. It's so handy. And then on the back then I have the YouTube Deise Rebel, so that's the URL, but I'll be probably getting that bigger, so maybe from here, you know, to there, maybe, you know, across a bit further, so it's more visible at the back as well. But really great quality, really happy with it. And this was one of the first ones that was made up of the stickers, but obviously that was only a mock-up of it. It was grand, but I got this one instead. So this is the new Deise Rebel sticker. I need to get more, but if you see me, just ask me and I'll have them. If not, I'll give them to you next time. But I love them, absolutely love them. The logo is great. I've been waiting to have a good logo for a while, and this is my own one, so really happy with that. And then we have the keyring. So the keyring's cool as well. Like I said, it's just for little things myself. If you want something yourself, give me a shout and let me know. Obviously, if you wanted a t-shirt, I'll be charging for the t-shirt. But if you wanted one of these, let me know, I can get one done. And yeah, delighted with it, I really love it. It's plain, it's simple, and it's just to the point, and it's great. Yeah, thanks very much. I hope you like those. They're really nice. I really like them myself. And back to today's video.
Hello fellow rebels, and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video we're heading over to Paddy, and I think he's going to fix the exhaust on my bike. Jamie, I think he's going to fix the exhaust on my bike. There's a hole in the exhaust. I'll show you on the video when we get over. But yeah, it's not causing me any major concern, but you don't want that growing either, you know. So that's what I'm doing, heading over to Paddy over in Glenmore there for a spin. And it's actually 19 degrees at the minute. It's actually a fantastic day. Went for a swim earlier out in Kilmorran, but yeah, weather's fantastic. The swim was lovely. Like I said, this evening then just heading over to Paddy over for a chat. If you've seen the video before, you know it was a great crack. Yeah, just heading over there, heading over to town first, and then onto the home of the Leicester champions, Kilkenny, unfortunately. But it's a fantastic evening. I hope anyone that rides bikes, or anyone in general, is just having a great time. For us bikers, when you're out in the winter a lot, these are the times you enjoy the most, because these are the reward for all the shit weather that you've been in as well. Well, Brian, that's some machine. This is the reward for all the shit weather, so happy days. Let's drive it on. I hope you enjoyed the last couple of videos. The old trip was fantastic. What a banger of a day it was, and it was fantastic to be on the bikes as seedy as we were on the way up and on the way back. But it was definitely brilliant. It was definitely an experience we'll always remember anyway, for sure. And the video that I put out there on Wednesday with the airplane one, that was just an impromptu video there. I didn't really have much for the week, but when I was out there I said, you know something, I'm going to document these planes. I'm out there long enough, and I love planes as well, so it'd be cool. I don't think I've ever seen those planes before, and get 3 German ones with the flag on it was pretty nice too. So I'm going to continue to do that. I might make full videos of it, but they'll be in the videos that I have, so we'll see what's out there and we'll see what comes of it. But yeah, look, of late I've been really busy in my personal life, so it's been hard to make videos. It's been hard to have the motivation to do it, but I'm getting back there, and I hope anyone that watches every week understands. I'm sure you will. And yeah, let's get back to making good videos and going on good adventures. Let's get back to being our adventurous selves. We all get in ruts, don't we? You know, I think my rut was like 2 weeks without videos, I think, so that's not too bad. What a magnificent evening. Beautiful evening for being on the bike. The traffic is shite, but so what? It's absolutely great to be out and about on the bike. Bonnie's loving it, I'm loving it. Hope you're loving it too. Vitamin D overload. Woo! Just the simple things, isn't it? Life can be complicated sometimes, but I tell you, it's the simple things that make it the best. Some music, bike flowing through traffic. Happy days.
So the hole in the exhaust is there. You can see it here. Here. So Paddy's going to put a plate on it, and now he's not going to do it tonight, but I need to get the bike serviced anyway. So we're going to do them all together. That's the hole in there. If you can see it properly, not a big deal, but I'd rather get it done. Paddy has a new horse, Hornet, so he needs to do a few things to it, but he's got 2 bikes now. Greedy fecker. But yeah, it's really nice. Powder coat with wheels as well. The gold really stands out from the black actually. And yeah, he's going to do a few bits and pieces to it and have a looking super. So that's Paddy's next project, and he's going to help me out. And then obviously we have most important thing in the night, it's the digestives, you know. Spent big on these ones, and yeah, the big gear there and whatever. And yeah, so we're going to get it started. Wearing a Deise Rebel t-shirt tonight, thanks to Nitro on Instagram. I've tagged him before, I'll tag him again. Badges on the side here, so give me a shout if you want any t-shirts, any stickers, anything like that. I still have Deise Rebel stickers. I have a few left for the lads. I'll be getting more as well, so if you want some, let me know. Send me a message or drop it in the comments as well. And let me know in the comments if you have any plans, big plans for your bike this summer. You going anywhere special, anywhere around Ireland, Europe, or anything like that, let me know, and we'll have a chat about it. I'm hoping to go a bit further as well, but we'll see. There's Paddy now with the tea, I would say, hopefully. Yeah, there he is, boy. There he is with the tea. It's alright, I'm not allowed to film the flip side of this, so I'll have to wait till he comes into the... What did I call it the last time?
Dungeon of Misery.
The Dungeon of Misery, yeah. The golden...
Mecca.
The golden Mecca or something. Just look back in the video and see what it is.
I'm actually quite friendly. Don't let the mugs fool you.
Took off. What did I get? I plant hires. I used to work in Waterford Hire. How weird is that? For 10 years, it's now Speedy Hire, so...
That came from
little
Diggerland.
FYI. Diggerland. That's where he came from as well. Diggerland.
Oh, me?
Yeah. They found him in Diggerland.
No, it's more like the Bogland at Glenmore. Right, we get biscuits, John.
Location. But that's it, another night. We get the service and stuff done. And now we're going to drink tea and eat biscuits. And there's less cursing tonight. We're saving it for the next day.
Oh, fuck yeah.
Oh, fuck yeah, absolutely. Fucking too fucking right. We're saving the cursing for the next day, alright? Fuck that shit, like, can't be saying that, like.
Shut up, you big bollocks.
That's a compliment over this side of the water.
I won't say what I was going to say.
Good. So
you know me, I won't be insulting at all.
yeah, no more filming, there's too much cursing going on. I might get demonetized. Can't demonetize 0. There's a local hero, Brian McCormick, from out the road. Out in Tramore, isn't it?
Tramore, yeah, it's Tramore, man.
And Paddy's new pride of place. He got a new Norton t-shirt, if I try to get the shine off it there. Oh yeah. And who's this? Who's signed by?
John McGuinness.
By John McGuinness. No, Paddy's brother.
I just had to think there for a second. What the fuck?
It's class, isn't it? So that's a new addition, as well as the Hornet horse, to Paddy's garage. So happy days.
It's a good spot here now. It's
Yeah.
my happy place.
And he has all of these. I've actually watched the TT for the first time ever, and it's unbelievable, unreal.
Mental.
I don't know how they do it. It's absolutely crazy. Like this fella.
No, not.
He is absolutely nuts. But yeah,
Shit, no tea.
yeah, tea. We need more tea because we have biscuits to eat.
Oh shit, no tea.
Just stay looking beautiful. So Paddy's getting another Deise Rebel sticker. He got the prototype earlier, but now he's getting the proper one. So there we go.
She'll take pride of place, young fella. And I said, we'll stick around the toolbox here.
It's going there somewhere.
Jesus, come off, you bastard. Fucking pair of knickers would be less complicated. Ah, there we go.
Lovely stuff. Oh, on the front.
Oh, fuck yeah. Oh, hell yeah.
On the front.
Probably a big dirty black paw mark on it. No.
Happy days. We'll take that.
Oh, Jesus,
Right, Paddy, thanks very much. And we didn't do as much cursing today.
Oh yeah.
Sound out.
No. I had to drop a quick F-bomb in there.
Alright. So a good evening out with Paddy. We have a bit of a plan anyway for the exhaust. And then we just get service kit and we'll do it all in one evening. So we'll video that. We'll be back again with Paddy, please God. And we'll power on then. So it's a lovely evening out. I think it's still about 17, 18 degrees I think. And just heading back in the road now from Glenmore. Back into the Deise. And yeah, great evening was had. And a great day was had, to be honest. So it's nice to be back out on Bonnie, give her a bit of a proper stretch anyway, out the road. And thanks very much for watching. Until the next time, Deise Rebel out.